Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going through the products that I'm taking with me to the Gold Coast. Now I know that it looks like overkill. I have a lot of products taken there, but keep in mind that I will be filming over there, I think, hopefully. And also I want to be doing my makeup every single day and doing some more like creative looks and stuff while I'm over there, so I have brought a lot with me. Now by the time you're seeing this, I will be in the Gold Coast. I'll already probably be like halfway through my trip over there. So yeah, this looks like overkill. I know I'm taking a lot, but I promise it's going to go to good use. I'm going to try and set up a mini studio while I'm over there. So I'm just going to kind of go through everything at random. But I do have all my eyeshadow palettes grouped together, so we'll go through them first. So I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Lucky Penny palette. This one here, obviously it's a nice neutral. I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Nude Mood palette. The Colourpop Feeling Bubbly palette. I know a lot of them look neutral. Most of them are. I'm going to take the Colourpop Making Mauves palette. The Colourpop Blush Crush palette. I'm going to take my Colourpop Glitter palette, because glitters always come in handy. And this was the Colourpop, I can't remember what it was. It was one of the like build your own palettes, but I can't remember what it was called. But anyway, it's this one here, and it's got like all the single shadows and stuff. Then I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Divine Neutrals palette. And then I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette. And then I'm also going to take the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. I wanted to take some more like Morphe palettes and stuff, but I need to be careful with what's actually going to fit in my little travel bag. So those are the ones that I've chosen, the eyeshadow palettes and stuff that I've chosen to take. I'm just looking at it all. It's actually such a mess, but I'm going to try and get through this as quick as possible. Just going to grab a bunch of stuff and go through it. So I'm going to take the Glamlight Whiskey Lip Gloss. Tried that one out the other day and I really liked it. I've got a lot of lip pencils. So the first ones I have here, I've got Kylie Cosmetics in Candy K and Kylie Cosmetics in Kylie. So those ones there. Then I've got one from Colourpop and it is Brink. Gonna take the Glamlight, the Tiger Tough one. I've got a couple more from Colourpop. We have I Heart This, we have Frenchie, we have On Ice. Then I've got some from Jaclyn Cosmetics. I have Chai Tea and Blondie. Got a few more from Kylie. I have, what do we have here? Does this one not have a shade? Oh, this one's called You Glow Girl. Then we have 20. Then we have some more from Colourpop, which are in 951, BFF, BFF2, and Golden Beach. I know it looks like overkill, okay, but I don't know what lipsticks I'm going to be wearing over there. I need options, I'm sorry. And I think this is it for lip liner. So I've got some more from Kylie. I have Dashing, I have Booked and Busy, Sweater Weather, and Oh Dear. So those are the last ones I have from Kylie, I think, anyway. Then I've got two more from Colourpop. We have Dream House and Boys Town. And I've just lost one. Where did it go? Okay, I cleared out my whole entire lipstick drawer. I mean my lip gloss drawer, because I've decided to bring all of my lip glosses. I don't know why, but I don't have that many. Like, I mean I do, but like not as many as like liquid lipsticks and stuff. And they all looked really pretty, so I just decided to bring all of them. I have some Morphe glosses. We've got one in Chill. And then we've got one in Pop. I have some Anastasia glosses. One in Summer Vibes and the other one in Honey Diamond. So those ones. Then I have a Lunar Beauty gloss in Enchantment. I've got some more glosses here. Another one from Morphe. This is the Morphe and Sour Patch Kids one. And this is in the shade Watermelon Sparkle. I'm taking some of my Fenty glosses, so I'm taking the Glass Slipper one. I'm taking another Morphe gloss. This is the collab with Madison Beer, and this is in the shade Mercury. And then a gloss from Morphe 2 is Lucky Me. It's like this really pretty one. Okay, what else do we have? We have another one of the Madison Beer ones in the shade Mars. I have one in Boho from Morphe. Okay, let's go through the other ones that I have at the moment. We'll go back to Morphe. I've got some from Colourpop. So, I have Italian Ice. I've got Thumper. I've got the Lizzie McGuire like squeezy gloss one. I've got the Pop a Cork. What else do we have? Okay, I've got a Laura Mercier gloss in the shade Rose Gold Accent. Then I've got another Fenty gloss in Diamond Milk. Got the Morphe Icy Lips gloss in the shade Boss Tycoon. I have a couple of Kylie glosses. We have Daddy's Girl and You Glow Girl. And then I've got some more from Glamlight. We have Vodka and Irish Cream. I've got a Colourpop So Juicy one in the shade Beechwood. Okay, let's get on to some liquid lipsticks. So I'm bringing quite a few from Kylie. I have Oh Dear, You Glow Girl, Angel, Sweater Weather, Candy K, and Booked and Busy. So, okay. These are like the shades here. As you can see, they're all kind of like neutral. But I promise they're all different. Kind of. I've got a Morphe liquid lipstick in Unsettled. I have a actual like lipstick from Glamlight. This is the Tiger Tough one as well. I have a lipstick from Colourpop in the shade Golden Beach. Okay, I've got some more. I've got another gloss from Colourpop in the shade Tied Up. Got another Morphe gloss in the shade Cruisin'. Got some more Kylie liquid lipsticks. We have 20 and Boy Bye. I've got a Colourpop Luxe Velvet in the shade Penny Pincher. We have a Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Jealousy. And I'm bringing all my Morphe like bullet lipsticks. So this one is in the shade Wifey. Looks like that. Okay, some more lip products to go through. I actually have another liner here from Jacqueline Cosmetics in the shade Macaron. I have the Simpsons X Revolution Treehouse of Horror lip gloss. Doesn't have a shade, but it's just got Homer on it. I've got some more liquid lipsticks from Kylie. We have Goals, Dashing, and 808, I think. Or is it Kylie? I don't know. I don't know what the shade is. But that's how they look there. Then I've got some more liquid lipsticks from Morphe. I have Taunt, True Story, and Suspect. Some more Luxe Velvets from Colourpop in Room Service and Genie, I think. Then I've got another liquid lipstick in the shade Savage from Kylie. We have a Luxe Velvet from Colourpop in Keeper Koi. Then we have a bullet lipstick from Colourpop in Dream House. And then the last lip products I have are just my bullet lipsticks, the rest of my bullet lipsticks from Morphe. So we have Boo, then we have Boy Toy, looks like that. We have Sweet Tea, Bare All. And then last but not least, we have Flirt. Okay, so that is everything for lips, I think. Actually, got one last one from Anastasia. This is a liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. Okay, and the rest of it's just kind of chucked all together, so we'll go on with that now. Okay, so first I have two new P. Louise bases. I ordered new ones because I've almost finished mine, but it should last me until I go, and then I've got new ones for the Gold Coast. So I have one in Room 01 and one in Room 02, so those are coming with me. I have two of the Colourpop press glitters in Crystal Cave, which is that one. And then I've got Cabana, I think, which is that one. Then I'm taking quite a few Super Shock shadows and Jelly Much shadows. So the two Super Shocks I have are Ladybird, and then I've got Up Late. And then as for Super Shocks, we have Mojave Moves, which is like a whitey kind of one. We have Blank de Blank. We have Wee Jammin'. I don't even know if these are going to be like alright to use when I get over there, but oh well. We have Give the Brat. Mystical. Keep It Crisp. And Early Birdie. The Jelly Much shadows like dry up super quick. So hopefully they're still okay by the time I get over there. Then also for eyes, I'm taking the Colourpop BFF liner, the black one, and then I'm taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex liners. I'm taking the brown one and the black one. I'm taking these for Urban Decay, what are they called? Heavy Metal Glitter liners. So we have Disco Daydream, Grind, Starfire, and Midnight Cowboy. And I also am going to take Pyro as well, I think, which is just on my desk at the moment. As for lashes and all that stuff, I'm going to choose them like probably just before I go, just because I use my lashes on the daily kind of thing. So, okay, and now we're just going to get into like base products. And yeah. Okay, going on to base products now. The first bronzer I'm going to take is the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer in the shade Sweet Tea. I'm also going to take the Fenty Beauty cream bronzer in 03 Macchiato, or I don't know how to say it. I'm going to take that. I've got some highlighters. So the first one is from Laura Mercier. It's in the shade Rose Glow. Then I've also got one from Too Faced. This is the Love Light bronzer. Highlighter in the shade Blinded by the Light. I've also got the powder highlight from Jouer in the shade Citrine. I'm going to take the Anastasia loose highlighter in Snowflake. And I've got some blushes. I have the Laura Mercier blush colour infusion in the shade Peach Shimmer. And I'm taking two of these tinted moisturiser blushes in the shade Provence and La Piscine or something. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at pronouncing things. Those are both from Laura Mercier. I've got a Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil, which I'm going to be taking. Okay, have some more highlighters. We have the Colourpop and Barbie highlight. This one here in the shade Beach Party. Have the Jaclyn Hill or Jaclyn Cosmetics the Flash highlight palette, which is super pretty. We have the MAC Hyper Real Glow, which looks like this. I have the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in the shade Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. Have the Kylie highlighter in the shade Ice Me Out. I've also got a blush here from Colourpop in the shade Kiss and Tell, which looks like that. Okay, I have the Glowish bronzer from Huda Beauty in the shade Medium. We have a Jaclyn Cosmetics loose highlighter in the shade Extra. I have the Jaclyn Bronze and Blushing Duo palette in the shade Sunkissed and Bronze Moment, which looks like this. Then I have the Benefit Earth Angel 4 Scope palette, which looks like that. And then I've also got the Benefit Cheek Glitters palette, which looks like this. I've also got the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Shady Biz. I have the Too Faced Born This Way pressed powder in the shade Almond. I have my Hourglass strobe lighting blush in the shade Brilliant Nude. And then I've also got my Hourglass bronzer in the shade Nude Bronze Light. And then, yeah, just still looking at a full makeup bag of stuff to take, so let's get through that. Okay, so I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. I'm also going to take my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, the Infinity one. I'm taking the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, the Light Catcher one in the shade Honey Star. I'm also taking my Fenty Beauty Butter setting powder, and I'm taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Glow setting powder. I've got a few more foundations. I have the Laura Mercier Flawless Radiance Perfecting Foundation. I also have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and I'm also going to take my Hourglass Vanish Stick foundation. As for setting sprays, I'm going to take the Morphe and Madison Beer one, the Colourpop No Filter one, the Ciate London, I think it was called Dewy Spritz or something. It's rubbed off, so I don't know. I'm also going to take the Anastasia Dewy set, the Fourth Row Beauty Glisten Up one, and I'm also going to take the Anastasia foundation too. I've got a couple of primers. So I'm going to take the Professional primer. I'm also going to take the Colourpop Pretty Fresh primer, the illuminating one. Taking the MAC Strobe cream, I'm going to take my Anastasia Liquid Glow and my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I've also got the Professional Setting Spray. Then for concealers, we have got the Hourglass Vanish Concealer, the Colourpop No Filter, Estee Lauder Double Wear, Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion, the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate, and the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. I'm also taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Dim Light, taking the Doll Beauty Highlighter in Like a Diamond. As for mascaras, I've got the Morphe, like the Make It Big primer. Then I've also got the Morphe Make It Big mascara, the Benefit Bad Girl Bang, the Too Faced Damn Gal. Then I'm also going to take my Anastasia Brow Pomade. I'm going to take my Benefit Micro Filling Brow Pen, my P. Louise Brow Pencil, the P. Louise Also Brow to Full Brow Gel, the Benefit Brow Styler, the Benefit Gimme Brow, and last but not least, I'm taking my Morphe Brow Gel. So, that is all the makeup I'm going to be taking to the Gold Coast. I know it's a lot, but I'm hoping to use up some of these products while I'm over there. I'm over there for like 4 weeks, so that's like quite a month, so that's a fair few days to be doing my makeup every day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, by the time you're seeing this, I will probably be well and truly into my trip. So yeah, I still need to film like the body care stuff, and there's going to be a few more things that I'll be taking, obviously, like I've got to take lash glue and beauty blenders and makeup brushes and all that stuff, but this is pretty much it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.